Hello, welcome to another lecture. Ngasi koi na tawudoba koi start tawudoba topic sina koi lecture number 1 basic concept. Now I ngasi basic concept how risi kari gino hai kanda any exam question paper ama solve tawu matam da let it be IS buero, CDS buero, banking buero or SSC buero. If you don't know the basic concept se khang ta ra gadi aina tawrim na le kem ta kana darabra na khale, right? So the student mayamgi demand gi hai tare ne ko demand gi koina kamai taw da gi hai kana si basic concept hana pachuna step by step topic by topic tam matung da then aduga marak to so koi question paper dum solve tawani exam hangi mayam. So we will start with the basic concept now. So let's start. So basic concept ngasi ko tamgodoriba topics in a square from 1 to 100. So 1 to 100 ki square khang taragadi then you can find out any square ama ta putopong ami and examination da maroina banking and then SSC da sugum se direct hangraga su indirectly question hot pada yorok kan duna si khang bai je nang advantage ni again daily activities day to day life da su yamna kana ba topic ni. So let's start with the basic concept square from 1 to 100. Now 1 to 100 book square koi khana matam the block by block nai ni sidana first ako the nai na du sina kari sidana 1 to 10 book square khana see everybody knows that c square ma'am say 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 7 8 9 si book ti mayam loi khangam ne na I hope so, right? Si book ti mayam khangam ne na khalle and then sigi makata ba dai tare ne ko sigi makata ba da ko na mu yeng asi hojik square from where square from kaidagi 11 to 20. So what are the methods we are going to use here? How to find out the square in a very easiest manner? Yes, let's discuss 11 square. What is 11 square? Right, tell me 11 square se koi na khangi kya ne ba 1 to 1. Now akoina puthopa matam the 11 square hai kan se kamai puthopa 11 into 11 tawra kan da phangai ne ba, right? Adubu is the arrival method am tak ke kem natte we have to look at the last digit 11 hai kan the last digit se kya no 1. Okay, now seeing see ki 12 5 se kem natte number masadu hai 11 to the magi last digit to 8 taro kan da phangpa and then see last digit na kem natte see last digit to gi square name ai nine is all right, easy, right? Yam live ni ko hadi nang sum phana chimpa phana level muta if you apply this method then it's very easy. Now yeng se ta dem adu tar gadi let's calculate 12 square. 12 square de kya ta ne so what was the rule? Number masadu da hadi 12 to the magi last digit to tinjal. So what is the answer? 14 taren, right? Aduga last digit na last digit ki square hadi 2 square how much? 4. Okay, yani ko like now one more again amu yeng se let's say 13 square. 13 square de kya ta ne tell me very quickly. 13 plus 3 to 16, right? Last na 3 ki square that is 9. So 13 square is 169. All right, see book the line go. Okay, so let me do one more. Now let's say 14 square. How about here? 14 the same rule apply only 14 plus 4, right? So that will be 18, right? Now so last digit to kya la 4 square. 4 square to kya la 16. Now akoi na khanga da godi see square from 11 to 20 tawmatam it will be a 3 digit number. But the ke la 4 square kya la 16 adu se thamba ya de ba. Okay, so 16 is the thamba ya de. So we have to adu see last digit kya no 16 ki 6 adu 6 du se thamba ni and then see 1 jina ko kai chakani carry over chakane so 1 no, right? So 8 ki matlab thamba ni. So what is the answer? 196. All right, easy. Okay, amuka na hainana ba one more amaga amung tawsiko example ama so that koi yam kara khuloi na bai ta video se ahan ba yeng da gyan ta dra so just koi na hanjan yeng so that hena gyan ta na the 15 square 14 square ta now let's calculate 15 square. Let's see कदौने हैव 15 plus 5 क्या आता है 20 and what is that 5 square क्या आता है 25 सिगी 5 से last digit से 5 से लानी सिगी 2 से ना काय लाकने है मथक तो लाकने है right and the answer is 225 यार easy right लाइव बनी के सामने दूध anyway अगर तादी सिगी मेथड से अप्लाई तो रखा let's find out what is okay just let me rub it down here अगर तादी सिगी मेथड से अप्लाई तो रखा होजिक 19 square पुथोक्सी let's find out what is 19 square tell me very quickly you can see 28 right and then how much 81 can take off so what is the answer 361 see come over you can see तो इसे क्या हमने टेस्ट की 28 है वैसे क्या हमने टे 19 plus 9 तो ने okay number to the my last digit तो अदुगा सिला इसना क्या हमने टे 9 square टे क्या नो 81 1 तो सिता बेरे ने 8 तो ना carry over चला दी 28 plus 8 is 36 so the answer is 361 है बनेगा that's all सी rules नहीं now सी rules है it's applicable up to where up to 11 to 20 book atane apply to yaar the rule is applicable only up to where 20 now atopa next ama mu yenga si hoji mamangom de orane maningom de mo horosi ko square from 91 to 100 okay very interesting let's see maningom de horosi ko now can you give me 99 square 99 square से क्या होगा तो कैसे ना खुद तक हाई मांग मत it's a 2 second mean second अमा नहीं question क्या करते नहीं question so the answer is 9801 right now सिद्धांत rule अमा खक ले so what rule we are going to apply से यों सिद्धांत को ना base concept ना अमा थोड़ा करने को so here we have base concept है पे आते दियो 91 दिन 100 फुल से कनागी मनाक तले it's nearby 100 ये को 100 कोई बनी ना 100 का always comparison तो रखने बा right दियो अब तो पुतो है जे कनो 99 की स्क्वायर पुतो 99 की स्क्वायर है बस ये जे कमाई पुतो कदे 99 है 100 का कंपेयर तो 99 जे if you compare with 100 99 जे क्या 100 ते क्या आता है -1 so से कोई से -1 ना कंसेप्ट on खक ले right and then कमाई होत को दे है कांदा सी की 98 है रिपोर्ट से केम नते number to the sigi key number this is called key number right key number to खाइदोक भी तारे so 99 minus 1 is 98 and then सिना करी नंगी key number to the square 1 square is 1 but 91 दगी ना 100 बुकी मरत लाइबा numbers की square to कांदा it will be a 4 digit number and then 1 खक्ति याद बनी ना सिदा कई हाप्सन बा 0 1 okay right now atopa ama mu hotine let's say we have to find how much atopa mu holase 90 क्या है इसके 80 square 98 square how much 2 so this will be how much 96 and then 04 कमाई ला के बा 96 है से केम नते सी number to the key number okay 2 जे खाइ तो पिरनी and then सी 2 जे ना कर this is 2 square is 4 digit वगैरह तो हमने 0 मांग हाफ से लगा this is the answer है ना हाईवे 1 okay so let me rub it अतोप अब हम होची ने okay tell me what is 94 square is right what is 94 square so 100 तक क्या होएगा 6 less होएगा बनिना 94 minus 6 क्या तारने तो दी 88 right and then last two digit क्या आता है 6 square is 36 हाई बे after the सी 88 है बसी कमाई लाख पन हाई बकांदा 94 minus 6 all right अदुगा सी की last digit ना कना की square key number 6 square is 36 so this is the answer so my taraga this method is applicable for the square from 91 to 100 91 and 100 को की मरक तले square की it works out okay one more yam atuba da higher brings let's find out tell me what is the square of 91 tell me how much? 82 and 81. Is that okay? I see kya 9 khai do di yo 100 tagi yang na 9 less way to 9 stay khai dokta di 82, right? 9 square is 81. So this is your answer, right? Let's move to the next method. Ahan ba hore aroi ba tawre, right? Adu tadi mayai gi mung tawse mayai gi habadi keno the square from, let's say, square from 41 to 50 marak ki hetare mayai middle life, right? And sigdi yam laiba ko gi method amni sizu, okay? Yeng si kamai toro ko no hot pa yaga target. Now let's say akoi the now 41 to 50 tawdring ai da, yeah, let's say 51 to 60 harasine ko 51 to 60, right? Let's say we have to find square of 51 square putok shares, right? 51 square calculate to hai tara kadi kya tagre, tell me. Sida so koi na ngasai koi 100 the key number lai ko, sida so koi key number ang kung lai, and here the key number is 25. Always remember 50 ki marak lai bada the key number is 25, right? Okay, it's a very little bit tricky. Adu bukhang adi am live yeng siong aduga key number is here 25 orani, right? Aduga sidana base kya logodaba, base will be how much? 50 na long ne. So 50 ka always compare tamni on 51 have see kaya kano taw 50 de yang buda kya heli 1 heli 1 hen tar di nangi key number to the 1 8000 gane 25 plus 1 is 26, and then nangi sila riba 1 zeko ahen would say 1 square is 1 square is 1 type, but it would be a 4-digit number. What panina 01 nama happy 1 to 100 to ka kitang khanai ko. So see video je hanjan na yemo so that you will understand, okay? Hayeng 100 ka 50 ka confuse chatta na bo, okay? All right, next adu tadi let's calculate 53 square. 53 square kya tani see kana comparison to over 3 ka 50 ka kya hele 50 tagi 3 hela ni na kya lani 28 lakani ka, you know, 25 key number to the 38 down, all right? And then last the 3 square is 9, so it will be 09. Is that okay? I hope it is fine. Yeng se tadi one more atopa mo go hola se tadi ado kamai tawraga koi khot pe yaga dage habdu yeng se, right? Anyway, yeng se ado tadi let's say 59 square. Tell me how much, what is the 59 square? 34 and then 81, right? Okay, you know 34 kamai la apno key number to the sikya heleva 50 dagi 9 hen bani na 9 8 turn 25 plus 9 is 34, and then here it will be 9 square. So this is the answer, right? Yani ka so 51 to 60 is okay. To koi 1 to 20 tangre, and then 91 to this one 91 to where 100 tangre, and then we have learned 51 to 60 also we have done. The next ako yeng si right si tangre natra, right? Next, right? How about if see ahum je khang taragadi, basically we are done actually 100%. Then you can easily calculate, see loina calculate we are. But for faster calculation, all I have to ask you is that 125 square root khamjalo for faster calculation, okay? Faster calculation ki na nang na square khang do je kya dagi 1 dagi na 25 square root khamjalo, so that you can find out the square up to 100 bukta nang na puthok pa yana na ba si bukti khamjan bata re, okay? Yani ko anyway one more atopa maga amu haipetang naina si. So let's say adu itadi if we have to find any square, let's say I have any putok, so let's say putok ning suppose 30, let's say 30 kya log 37 square nang calculate tau, right? 37 square calculate tau ge hai tar ka di what we have the option ani khak lai amana kaino da hi yang pa amana kari 37 is nearby akoi ngasai ke to base to 50 loba ma okay base ke doba 50 loba ma all right now adagi atopa amana kai doba amana 25 tagi yenga pa all right see actually akoi na 50 tagi low taraga di si 50 tagi si kya lai kya hande 1300 right 1300 amna akoi na ngasai 50 ki base pala 25 minus 13 right so the kya tare 25 minus 13 is 12 right 12 and then 13 square is how much 169 so 9 and 16 right so how much 28 how much is that am I doing something wrong or what 12 right oh just wait so land one could let it go let's say we have 37 square put on 37 square base kya 15 50 day comparison tokta ragati right chumdu base kya 50 day comparison tokta ragati 37 is kya 13 right aita 25 day kya khai do 13 that is how much kya tare 12 tare natra then 13 square is how much 169 so it will be a 4 digit number to now 1 so how much is the answer 1369 tai hai 37 square is how much 1369 now asdagi hena thuba method ti laita bajala now hangwe a question asdagi hena thuba method laita bajala lay kasu kai the adu atopa amamu ka hai yeah let's see without doing this akoina kai dawga hai kanda this is very faster method okay yo see 37 square ha kan 25 tagi you have to look from amana 25 tagi yengo amana 50 tagi yengo 25 tagi 37 right 25 tagi 37 buta what is the difference kya le how much is that 12 right to 12 ibirani right 30 tagi di kya hoy 30 tagi di how much 30 tagi di kya jong se kya le 13 later right adugi 13 do kamai tawda ha tana si 13 zigi square mu tawro sidagi na difference sigi na square 13 square is 169 do now 169 to 1369 right okay yengs atopa ma ga tawro yengs so that you will understand more okay here na pajana khangana ba let's say kya tawsiga 39 square okay so 39 square je noi puthok ngam ro hosi kamai ai method to sin tara ga di amana kya de henga 25 to difference putho okay so my toros yeah okay 25 to yang adi kya le how much is the distance here 14 right the 50 the 50 the yang ta di what is the distance 11 ji kari mu to goda square to goda that is 1 to 1 so 1 ami ibirani 2 1 so the answer is 1521 yarni ko yagata yes or no yes right so duna akoina ngasai method sing do khang taraga di 1 to 100 pu ki square je irai line na koina puthokpa kedogone heba yagane heba okay one more adu tadi noina hang pe okay how about 20 series ta kamai puthok da again yeng se ko 20 let's say 24 square yeah let's say 24 square right 24 square okay 24 square se koina ani thok nei pe amana 50 amana 25 ti yang tara gadi the difference here is 1 okay akoina se tawdu je 1 doni right 50 dagi yang tara gadi so di kya tare 26 right 26 taiko now akoina but here we will have a problem so they can apply to do yeah right because we don't know again we have to find get only 26 square mu putok ba mu dakar oina tra oina ga right oina banina sikina mu kamai to da ga kan 20 21 22 23 24 25 up to 29 25 ki makha ta bajing hai tare na 25 square ki makha less oiba na tra si makha the less oiba ni na for this we have another method kamai hot ka again yam lai method ni sin base method ni ko. You can apply any of the method mayam lay gre, right? But anyway, yengs let's say 24 square hai badi kai no 24 into 24, right? So the koi na base kya lo ya ga kan da base koi na kya lo ya kan da base 20 base koi na 20 na lo ya kan da ko sa koi na base 20 na lo ya, right? Oi ta di yengs kamai hot pa ya ga da ge da. See, 24 into 24, right? What was the extra thing? Extra thing is 4 here, right? 24 have the extra thing, the can never 4 never, right? But yam sang tak tab samjhal lage. Yam masai to mind chamane 24 last yung 24 number to the kya heli 20 base 20 lagta kya heli 4 heli, right? So 4 heli bani na what is the answer? 28 तारे 28 दमु 28 तारे को 28 दमु कहीं ना पूरी करना है करना मांगी base ना पूरी तारे base ना पूरी क्या तारे it's 560 and then extra hill तो क्या नो 4 square तो क्या नो 16, so the answer is 576. what पता याम लुबई मानबो नहीं but समझ लता के याम लाई होत सिको कमाई होत के तो so what is 24 square at the 24 plus 24 to solo here 24 plus 24 adada mu kya na puri ka 2 na 28 and then 56 last kai la ka 4 squares the kai la ka 4 square that is 16, so 1 and 6 to 576. Is that okay? I hope so, right? Atopa ngo chine du let's say 23 square. Let's say 23 square was 23 square. Kamai tau ni? I have the 23 plus 3 into 2. 26 into 2 is 52, and then last the kari 3 square. 3 square is 9. So the answer is 5 to 9. So maina yam line of hot pay ya ba. Adu ta di nga sagi ko no hot ki ba 37 to hot pay ya bra ya. Kaso kai de. So but the thing is that adana mu ko na kano to rakane multiplication do kitang mu lu rakane se 31 square puto kai tar ka si ju kamaina so 31 plus 1, right? 31 plus 1 into 3 lakh and is the base 30 of 31 32, right? 32 into 9 is how much? 96, and then last the 1 square 1, so the answer is 961. So maina line hot pay aiba, right? aduga 25 tagi hen gitara kadi again si 31 je na kamai hot pay aiba. It's a very interesting topic, right? Ani to na makal mayam lay bi line hot pay abs si 25 ti hel bani na si you can compare like this 25 tagi hel amana 50 tagi 25 tagi kya hel 6, so you will write 6 here, right? 50 tagi kya hoy 19, so 19 square is how much? 361, so 661 see ibirani 3 masi ibirani, so the answer is 961 heavy one. So in hiding idi 1 to 100 square khange hai tara kadi all you have to do is that remember up to 25 square fadok tara kadi nang irai line loi hot pa ngamane. Anyway adudi ama mu yeng siko one more thing. Let's say find the square from adudi 49 square. Okay, 49 square apna right tam gore kya ta isi kya ta gani tell me 2401 why yung si 49 have the 50 ga na re ai ta dinga sagi rule 49 to sidadi less oi ra pani na key number ta kya khai do kani 1 khai do kani and then key number ki 1 square, so this is the answer. Okay, one more 47 square 3 less oi re key number ta khai do 22 and then 3 square is 9, so this is the answer we are seeking, right? 47 square is 2209 tagane, right? Anyway, so loi putre 40 50 60 yung buthok sira. Okay, 60 yung yengs chamane 60 yung yengs. Suppose if you want to find the square of, let's say 60 kya find out those kya, let's say 63 square, right? Okay, name to hold yabra kata yung base 50 de log tara kadi. If you take for base 50, kya hai? How much is greater? 13, right? That's yeah, 13. I thought 25 plus 13, 38. 13 square, then Sigi 13 square. 13 square is 169. So 1 will be carried here, 69 will be here. So the answer is 3969. That's it, simple as that. Okay, yam line is mine hot pay 80, 90, loina mo hot pay abang actually. So if you apply, keep on applying this method, I thought nangi square do yam line hot pang amane have. Okay, one more. Adu tadi 80, let's say 82 square. Yung 82 ay taraga di base ko na ani thong na lobo ay amana 50 have 100 am but sige 82 ay 100 lom da laban ni na 100 ki rule do apply to 100 ki rule apply to gaya tar si kya laire 100 tagi 18 less way right adu tadi ko 100 ki rule di kamai to number to tagi 18 khai do khoda okay ki hai ba number to tagi 18 khai do khoda number to tagi 18 to 82 tagi 18 khai do tadi we have 64 and lastly kari 18 square and tell me what is 18 square. Just apply the rule. 18 plus 8 is 26, 60 to 324, right? So 324 is the 3 here 24. So the answer is how much? 6724. You can check in the calculator, okay? So calculator the check to adum taram gani. So 82. So 100 ki maya na 100 ki rule apply to biro, 50 ki maya na 50 ki rule apply to biro, and then kaigumba number do na 25 teki less way ragana ngasai base method to okay 20 had 21 to 24 square put okay ta ragadi all you have to do is that kari yung just remind ama taronge 21 silong kadawada so here 21 plus 1 into 2 okay right and then sidana last digit square silong 21 plus 1 is 22 is like 44 right 1 square is 1 so minus 25 teki less way ragana sigi base method adi 2 se apply to sina it's more shorter method pudi mayam like okon hot pe but this is all we have to know so sini akon 1 to 100 puki manung da koina square koina kano to bose square anyway the extent of yabra had the ya ke su kai de suppose if you want to find the square of let's say 103 square yung si kano sizu we can apply the base method 100 okay 100 hoy pani na yung 100 hoy tar 100 te kya hele 3 hele 3 hentar what we have to do is 1 to 0 the 106 right number to the 3 dum 8000 and then last ta kya 3 square is 9 right but it will be 09 because it will be a 5 digit number okay adi base to loina mag akoina kano ngakne sana ba ngakne asmai toraga square je irelai na hot pe again adagi yam lai ba atopa amaga umage lastly it's a very very interesting one mayam azu hena khangam mani sidi khangam mani na kale everybody should know this squares ending with 50 sorry 5 squares ending with 5 na loy bajing square kamai puto kadagi okay 5 square kya hai we know 25 right now 15 square 2 to 5 okay let me write down kitang lalab 25 square se kya hai 625 right one more yes and then 35 square se kya hai 35 square here we are getting 1225 45 square is getting 2025 now so going to kanga the all the numbers ending 5 na bul loira ba my square to it will be always 5 will go 25 na always lakne now ako the lady problem the mamangi digits ni kamai puto kada ke so mamangi digit puto kai ta all we have to look at the first digits here yung see 1 ga kana ga puri to wa magi next number to 2 right stay on 2 ni 6 tan ga di 2 duga magi next number to ga puri na do here si kya no 3 ni 3 the kya no puri ga magi next number 4 see 4 ni next number to puri na ga si ta all right gyan tara mane na khalega the last one example am to 5 no loy bugi now let's calculate what is 75 square. Tell me. Last two digits is always 25, right? Aduga sida 7 leirabanina kya lakani? 56. Why 56? Yung 7 leire. 7 da kya na piba? 7 da magi next number na 8 na. 7 8 is 56. So the answer is 5625. This is all. Duna I na kan badang asi ki lecture the 1 then 150 squares de no lo na mo calculate to bang amane na khale. So keep watching my channel. Ai channel ji yengo aduga mayam kana mayam sum lomina si, right? Anyway ngasi ki side lo isalage hayeng question je akoina makha adum hapsa rakhi ana ono topic mayam basic tagi akoina tamok sin tawbagi wani basic mayam je khang raga de hayeng achaw question holak da khangoi, right? Aduna exam da kwaida ki darkar oi se kaino akoi calculation speed ama and then nangi percentage concept ama, right? Si maruina si ngaktane examination banking and SSC or any other exams the maths over the car is a calculation percentage concept se phajana khangaba phajana heiraba, and then one thing is the ratio, right? Ahum ju phajana heiraba, then nangi tangkai syllabus amadi loiram ta half of the syllabus is completed, remaining to the koina concept wise to matung apply to wa khatani. So percentage ne ratio ne the calculation speed se am thu the exam thu na phau gi hai taragati aduga darkar oiba koi gi magi ideas dudi then I will be sharing on my channel. So do watch my channel, subscribe and then share. Okay, now see you when they go share the lessons. Okay, thank you for watching my channel.